Hi, I'm Argidian Tilavarias from BS Criminology second year Black B, and what I will portray today is someone who is very close to my heart. He's no other than Gary Valenciano. And what I really admire to him since I was 5 years old is his soul and humbleness in music industry. His leadership is just far beyond amazing. The true lyrics of his music inspires many people, also it heals them, especially children, teenagers, and elders, including me, who also suffered from depression. Gary Valenciano is known for his high energy performances. He has been dubbed Mr. Pure Energy, and he has released several successful albums, including Out of Dark, which was released internationally. Gary Valenciano has also performed alongside renowned artists like Brian McKnight, George Duke, and Ricky Martin. And just like what I have mentioned, Gary Valenciano is known for helping people. He has been the UNICEF National Ambassador for 25 years, focusing on hope, faith, and positive change. He also founded the Shining Light Foundation, which supports diabetics and provides scholarships. And today, I will sing just a short clip of my favorite song of Gary Valenciano, which is Natutulog Ba Ang Diyos? I hope you'd enjoy watching it. Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Bakit ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko? Konting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa, at iniisip na natutulog ba? Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong buhay. Huwag mo sanang akalain, natutulog ba ang Diyos? Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya.